making him walk around.
Can I wear one of your wigs?
You sure can.
Do you have
My wigs?
You have a big supply, don't you?
Nice bead, didn't we, Steve?
I can
Now I
understand
want
that.
a regular.
Well, it's nice to find you living such a wild life here.
I
You're
have to
just
be. I have to
running
be that
from
way.
morning, noon, and night, aren't you?
I'm like this all
You
the
never
time.
let up.
Never
Coming
let
and
up.
going.
But I'll be right. I'll catch on one of these
And I
days.
hope you remember that long ride I took over here tonight. It was. I tried to lose you. You remember the time you always recall when you were 2 or 3 years old and I was a bit older, and you said I'd put you in a coaster wagon and got you top of the hill and rolled the whole thing down without me behind it.
That's right.
I was trying to.
You were
lose
trying to get rid of me.
Obviously. No, I wanted to give you a thrill.
A thrill?
Teach you that life is not easy.
No, never forget
Yeah,
it.
you behaved real good. You didn't complain or anything.
Come on, Steve.
How about in your memory?
How about a song?
The song?
You know, how about My Brother?
My brother, my brother knows no faults.
That was quite a song there, Mom.
Right, yeah. Book that.
Yeah, we'll book that right away.
Oh, okay.